You pay sales tax on items you buy here in the store, but maybe not online. We'll tell you what you need to know.
Now, it's something that many of us wouldn't even think twice about, buying an item online and then having it shipped to your home.
But those little purchases could add up, and this tax season, the state is asking thousands of people to pay up back taxes for those purchases. News 3's Theo Keith is on your side.
Eric, your tax form asked you whether you owe use tax on these items. Trouble is, state auditors say thousands don't remember their purchases well enough to fill that out. Now you might need to play catch up.
My initial thought was shock, and I didn't really understand. I thought, why am I getting this?
The state remembered something this Janesville woman bought and forgot about. She didn't want her identity known because of the tax information involved, but got a letter about wine she bought in 2007. The seller didn't charge sales tax. She asked state auditors what she owed, but says they wouldn't say.
People don't know this. They need to be educating people. You know, this is what you should be doing. This is why they don't do a good job at educating people on it.
Along with death, it said nothing is certain except taxes. You pay them right away when you buy something off the shelf. But sites like Amazon and eBay don't have to charge Wisconsin sales tax because they don't have stores here. Because of that, the state estimates it's going to lose out on $62 million from uncollected use tax, not from here in the store, but from online shopping. Now they've sent 3,000 of these letters to people asking them to pay up.
They do have to pay it.
Questions like this are keeping accountant Rick Blotter busy. He says it's only fair you pay sales tax on items bought here. You should pay use tax on items from out of state.
If a person can buy an item from an out-of-state company and get a 5.5% discount, that puts our businesses at a competitive disadvantage.
It is a very small piece of our efforts, but it's very important.
Revenue Department spokeswoman Stephanie Marquis says through agreements with other states and even U.S. Customs, Wisconsin auditors can track who owes use tax. They mostly hit up people for big-ticket items like boats, jewelry, and cameras. But you'll owe use tax on any item bought online or out of state if the seller didn't charge sales tax. For our Janesville resident, that adds up like this. The tax on the wine was only $6.60, but there's 18% interest. Add in $20 a year for 4 years, and that's $80. Add it up, and that's about $90.
If I send it back with nothing on it, is that going to open up to a full audit? Well, certainly no one wants that. So $90, I'll take that over a full audit any day.
And like that woman, most people do end up paying in all nearly $11 million since 1998. You can appeal, but you need your receipts or credit card statements for proof. If you got one of those letters, call the state. We've got that number on channel3000.com.
Wow, that was complicated.
Yeah.
All right, a lot to keep track of. Thank you, Theo.
You bet.